It is a known fact that Samsung's next phone is a Galaxy S22. And now, thanks to a new leak, we have more specs, colors, and other information on the upcoming device. Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. As we know, Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy S22 line of devices in the upcoming year. Rumors say that it's going to be sometime in February, so we don't have much to wait for whatever information they have to give us. There are going to be three different models: the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Ultra Note. There are rumors that Samsung might be changing the name for the Ultra to the Ultra Note, and the reason is because that phone most likely will come with S Pen support, like with the Note lineup that has been killed by Samsung, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Ultra Note is going to take over the Note lineup. This video is going to mainly focus on the Galaxy S22 Ultra/Note, because that device seems to be the one that is going to have the most changes coming from last year's device and in comparison to the devices that are going to be in the S22 lineup. Also because it includes the S Pen. So this is going to be pretty much a brand new, rebirth of the S22 Ultra/Note, and of course it's going to be the most premium device within the S22 lineup. So the expected specs for the Galaxy S22 are 120Hz refresh rates on the screen, 6.8-inch display, a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and the newest Qualcomm A9A chip. 108 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 10 megapixel periscope camera. This device pretty much is going to be filled to the gills with the latest technology that Samsung has to offer. Most information that we have gotten recently comes about the 108 megapixel camera, which seems to be the same type of camera that was on the S21, and supposedly that camera coming to the S22 is going to have some improvements made in order to give you a better image. One supposedly is going to use artificial intelligence to look at the images that you're taking and then fix it and enhance it depending on what obviously the software decides. And so any pictures that you take with a 108 megapixel sensor is going to be better than whatever the S21 gave you. The camera supposedly is going to allow you to take macro shots using the main sensor, and as I said, with the help of software, the images should be a lot better than its predecessor, which again was the Galaxy S21. The new feature supposedly is going to be called Detail Enhancer, and is going to come in a way of a software update for the camera, which means that if you are an owner of the older Galaxy S21 and 20, at least the ones that have the 108 megapixel sensor on the device, you might be able to actually get the software update to your camera, meaning that you might be able to get a upgraded camera on your older device. Those are the rumors, but in my opinion, I don't see why Samsung will do that, because then if you have last year's device and you're going to have the enhanced camera on it due to the software upgrade, then why would you want to upgrade your device if you're going to be able to have the same features as a newer device, minus the S Pen, of course. So if they do bring an upgrade to the older devices, I will think that will probably happen later in the lifespan of the S22, so 6 months, probably 3 months down the line, after all the big news and information about the newer device has come out and people have actually gone and purchased a new device. That will be the thing that will make more sense business-wise, to give people the upgrade after the device has been out for a while, to give people the incentive to upgrade their phones. The other rumor we have is the color of the phone. So far we know the phone is going to come in a dark red, white, and black, but it seems that there's going to be a green color added to it. These images come from Let's Go Digital. So Let's Go Digital created this mock-up of what the device might look like based on Ice Universe's tweet. So Ice Universe said that the S22 Ultra Green color is going to be this color code that you see here, which is a 27423A. And then it gives an example of what the color is going to look like. And so Let's Go Digital went ahead and created a mock-up of what the device might look like on that color. And as you can see here, actually the color is nice. The rumors are that the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus will also come in this color by a lighter shade of this green, and that the finish on those devices is going to be shining or glossy finish versus the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Ultra Note is going to have a matte finish. So to give you more, if you want to call it elegant, less fingerprint magnety finish. As I said earlier, the device is supposed to be unveiled sometime in February and probably will go on sale a few days after the announcement. So we don't have much time to wait until the device comes out. Based on the latest information and renders that we have seen of the device, I am kind of down on the fact that they didn't go bolder with the design as some of the rumors initially suggested that they were going to do, and they stuck with the design of previous devices. I kind of understand why they did that, kind of to, if it's appealing to people, kind of like the whole idea of don't fix something that isn't broken kind of thing. And that obviously is a good thing because, people go and if they're turned on by the type of devices, they most likely will buy it. But at the same time, I think people who were looking for something different and something with more, let's say, pop, probably wouldn't go with the device because they're going to be like, well, it's the same thing I've seen before. There's really nothing exciting about it except it has the S Pen. And of course, that's going to be a big thing for people who missed the Galaxy Note devices and for people who are looking to be more productive when they have a phone. So I think this will satisfy both crowds, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra most likely will be one of the biggest selling devices for Samsung. What do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S22? Now that we pretty much have a full picture of what the device is going to look like, what the specs are for the device and all these things, does this give you more of an incentive to get the device, or are you kind of like, I'm not really feeling it? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.